Hello guys, today we're going to make a cookie in a cup. We need 1 tablespoon of melted, a teaspoon of brown sugar and half a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, egg yolk, flour, salt, chocolate chips. You add the melted butter. Next, add the brown sugar. Wait, oops. Okay. The sugar. Here's how it should look now. The melted butter, the brown sugar, and the normal sugar. Add the pinch of salt. Next, add the vanilla extract. Next, put the egg yolk into the mixture. Bring it closer. See, one way you could do this is take an empty bottle, hold it like this, put the egg yolk there, and there you go. Oops. Get in there. Shh. Okay. Mix. Keep on mixing it. So you get this type of mixture. Can you see it? Like brownish, golden. Okay. Add the flour. And then mix. Oops. Now you should have something like this. Pause. The chocolate chips. And then mix. That should be like this. You put it into another cup. I should have something like this. Then I'll flatten it out or something. Make it good and ready for the microwave. to the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, it's done now. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, you should let it cool for some time. But it looks pretty good. And yummy. Out of the cup. It's still hot. It's really good. Here's the inside. I put a little bit too much chocolate chips, but still it's tasty. Come back here. Really tasty. Okay, please comment, rate, and subscribe.